Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join Plants versus Brainrots in Discord. So first you open the application and log into your account. After that you will see the plus button, add a server. You click on that and then here you are going to choose join a server. And here in the invite link you are going to type Plants versus Brainrots, then you click on join server. After that you will be redirected to this page. Here they are going to ask you some questions. You can answer them or you can just simply click on skip, then finish. And here, as you can see, you officially joined that server and you need to wait at least 10 minutes. After that you can start texting and chatting in the server. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.